Hello people, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a delicious, crispy and healthy snacks, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing crispy sweet potato fries with just a few simple ingredients. Trust me, this will become your new favorite snack. Let's get started. First, grab your sweet potatoes. You want to peel them. I have already done that. And then cut them into round slices. Next, take a bowl, fill it with water, add a pinch of salt. Now drop your sweet potato slices into a bowl and let them soak for few minutes. Once the sweet potatoes have soaked, drain the water completely. Now we are going to add some flavor. Sprinkle some salt, a pinch of turmeric powder for a beautiful golden color, and red chili powder for a little heat. Give it all a good mix, making sure each slice is coated with the spices. Now, for the secret of making these fries crispy, semolina or rava. Take a handful of semolina and coat each sweet potato slices with it. Make sure the slices are evenly covered. This will help them crisp up beautifully when we fry them. Now heat some oil in a pan over a medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, carefully place your coated sweet potato slices in the oil. Fry them for a few minutes on each side until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once they are crispy and golden, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. Look at how crispy and delicious they look. Perfect for snack, appetizer, or side dish. You can even pair them with your favorite dipping sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest recipes. And don't forget to comment below. I love to hear how you make your own version of these sweet potato fries. See you in next video. Bye.